This video is going to demonstrate the squirter's function within MACE. First thing we're going to do is put a land platform out. Next thing we're going to do is add 4 humans. And we're going to attach each of those humans to the vehicle. And since the mission stopped, you can just drag them over to the vehicle to get them inside. And then if you do a shift, click, and create a box, you can select all the entities underneath that box. So you see here I've got the vehicle as well as the 4 entities that are inside. So what I'm going to want to do is find a flag here that says is squirter, and I'm going to check that for 3 of the entities. So this test is going to demonstrate basically 3 entities that are going to squirt and 1 that will not. We're going to set our vehicle now. We're going to attach him to a road just so he can follow some kind of path. We're going to hit play. And we're going to engage the vehicle. So let's do something small, 12.7 millimeter. We'll just fire on the vehicle. And you can see that he's slowing down and the entities have jumped out. So the 3 entities have jumped out and the one guy who is not set to squirter is now still in the vehicle. And there it is. How to do squirters in MACE.